Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying carrier eSIM transfer and unlocking any device restrictions. Do it now. On Android, open Network and Internet, locate the eSIM profile and choose Export or Generate QR. This creates the data you'll import to the iPhone. Once done, record the carrier account, PIN, and activation code. Make sure you have a backup of your Android if the profile removes itself. Preparing these items prevents activation failures and speeds the import on the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Now you move to the iPhone 17 Pro Max and open Settings, Cellular Add eSIM. Use the camera to scan the QR from the Android export or manually enter the SMDP Plus address and activation code. This is the critical handoff. After the profile appears, assign a label, choose your default line for calls and data, and confirm cellular plan settings such as voice, SMS, and data. Make sure to toggle data roaming or network selection as your carrier requires, and wait for activation confirmation. Finish by restarting your iPhone and checking for carrier signal, correct carrier name, and working cellular data. If the eSIM doesn't activate, toggle airplane mode and retry the activation flow. Simple resets often clear temporary provisioning issues. If problems persist, gather the iPhone EID and the eSIM ICSID shown in Settings, then contact your carrier. This lets them troubleshoot provisioning or push the profile. One key tip: if you see no service, confirm the carrier completed the swap on their systems before reattempting.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.